water Omgbu right inside the water now. This is where I trek to. I've trekked from my parish house to this place. And the other side is what is behind the pool paddling. And they are finding it very difficult. I don't know the pool is too loaded, so they are finding it very difficult to move on the water. So look at the height of the water, no one can trek that place. But if you go deep down there, the water is almost to your chest, to your neck. You cannot trek. So when I trek from my parish house, this is spot I will take my boat. And you can even see those around here are people whose houses have not been really touched by the water. And that is why it's people around here that are managing the situation. But with the way the water is moving, I think that the water will still go higher. But this water is actually coming from the river, from the main river, and it's filling the inner areas. And by other things you are seeing here, you can see someone trying to get gas to his house. The gas right inside the water. I don't know whether that is safe. Anyway, I don't know if that is safe anyway, but I wouldn't advise anybody to do that. But they are managing it themselves. So that is how it is. And now I want to go outside to do some chopping. So that is why I am at this spot now. This is where I can trek to. The boat will come very soon and pick me. Yeah.
Good day, Father.
Yeah, good day, man. How are you doing? Yes, I want to take the boat now. This is the boat that will paddle me to the safe area, to the main Bayelsa Expressway, Yanagua, in Biama Road, where I can access the different markets to buy food items. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm trying to board this boat now. Without this boat, you cannot cross the other side, but that side is very deep. So when you get there, you will see how deep it is. Yeah, that is it. We're on the way. I'm now in the boat on the waters, and that is how it is. All these areas, they've been submerged by the water. Flood has taken every place, so all of them, some of them are still inside their homes, where the water level is still low. But see, I'm paddling down. I will show you the channels, the two channels along this road. This is Chief. You have three popular roads here: Chief Road, Winners Road, and White House. Here we are driving along the White House Road. July have been tired, but not yet tired anyway. So look at one of the channels here. This is one of the channels. This is the waterway. The water is supposed to pass the channel straight to the water side. But to the riverbed, look at the channel. This is the channel. The best houses are across everywhere. That is one of the major problems. The water cannot pass through this place. So it's going into the homes of the people. And look at this house. These are still at the channel. Look at the ones at the channel. Yeah, it's very deep. Look at the stick of the paddler. Look at the stick of the paddler. Very deep, and as we are going there, it's deeper and deeper and deeper. So no one can really trek this place. That's the reason these guys provided this boat for their economic purposes, and they are taking 50 naira per person. At the end of the day, they will make up to 10,000 naira. Today, as I speak to you, but people are still inside their houses, trapped by the flood. They can easily come out, but many of them don't have anywhere to stay, so they feel, let us be in our homes. But the water is still there, but has not covered the level of where they are staying. Another street here, small street here. It is still on the water. I'll get to the second canal very soon. When you get there, I will show you. Don't pause. I think this is the second channel of water. Of water. This will have gone to the straight to the river, but because the houses built in the water channel, That is why they are suffering this much. Look at the houses here. See, for these houses here, the water is almost up to the roof level. They cannot stay inside there. But I wonder, even human beings, as we speak, why would somebody buy a land in the water channel and build his own house to stay? This is what they suffer from every year. And it's just like wasting money, Get money, go to the higher lands, buy your land, and build your house. Now, this is the channel proper. Water channel proper. This is the second channel, and it's very deep here, very deep here. So, look at the second channel now. Houses everywhere. So, where will the water run to or go to? Water cannot go to any place. So, instead of flowing away, it is going into the houses of the human beings living inside there. You have been watching me for some time now, almost 4-5 minutes. We've been paddling to get to the safe land. When I get to the safe land, you will equally see it. God bless you. Now, I want a light on the land. You can see people trekking, coming down to their homes. If they can trek to their homes, around there they can still go to their home, but not very safe. Now, see people waiting for the boats to get to their homes. And that is what they are seeing around behind me now. So there are boats here. So I want that light now. I want to get to the safe land. Those people going down there, look at this. They cannot stay in their home. They are going to collect something from their houses, but the place already submerged in water. So you see the people waiting here. This is how these guys, young men, make their money every day, and it's a source of economy for them.
Carry me go my house. Carry me come.
If you are taking someone is canvassing there, I want to go straight. That's how the job I'm paddling quite alright. It's only the paddle very well. It's at the job I'm paddling, doing the paddle very well. So it's bargaining with the owner of the boat to take him on a ride. Only him 400 naira, 500 naira. For me, I pay 50 naira, and I want a light. Now, there, my friends, now look at you. Yes, I want to go down now. So here I have this. See what I was talking about. You see this, and now I will not trek. I will go and get out of here to the main road, to the expressway, and go to do my marketing. Please, God bless you. I am Reverend Father Peter Omgbu of Father Talk and Daily Guide. Please kindly subscribe and sponsor me. You see my number on the screen. Please try to sponsor this program. I will update you about the flood in Bayelsa. God bless you.